Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Imtiaz and this is the 5% Club. This is another market analysis video, so let's get right into it. So we are starting out with Nifty. Nifty gave a very good breakout today, and it did give a breakout from our levels. Not exactly from our levels. I got little. The price was little above, which is totally fine. So I entered at 21 515 somewhere, and my stop loss was below the candle. It was like this. If you guys see, this is how my trade was, and my stop loss was here. Okay, 25 point of stop loss what I kept. Market went up 1:3. I booked my profit, and after that I did not trade. Okay, I did not trade because this move I felt a little scared, so I exited. So this is how my trade went today on Nifty. So tomorrow I'm expecting a pullback or a small profit booking, or post this, that is if market opens flat and then crosses 21,680 and above, I'll be definitely looking forward to buy, and my stop loss would be depending upon the market structure. Okay, what is market structure? That is the candles, depending on the candles. Okay, so this is what I'm expecting for tomorrow. We are not looking forward to short anything as of now because the market's positive. As I told in last week, that if it crosses, if it gaps up again or something like that, we can see a new high. So this is a all-time high now, which is really good. Market is up, so please start buying stocks, or please start trading, learn trading. Everything is good. So this is not a tip or recommendation, guys. This is just my view on market. Okay, so I'm looking forward, this is what I'm looking forward to do in market tomorrow. That is, if it crosses 21,680 and above, I'll be looking forward to buy it. Okay, I'm not looking to short anywhere. So that's for Nifty. Next is Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty exactly opened at our level today, exactly at this level. Above this box is where I bought. So this is how my trade looks. I bought here, and below this candle was my stop loss. I waited for this candle to close. Below this candle was my stop loss, which was actually of 80 points, and then it started going up. 1:3 I captured it and I stayed quiet. I did not trade anymore. Same. 1:3 we captured, easy. 1:3 we captured it in the morning itself, and then we stayed quiet. After that I did not trade. Same again, if market opens flat tomorrow and crosses 48,364, I'm definitely looking forward to buy. That is, this is where I'll be buying it tomorrow, or I'll be buying it at 48,190 and above. So these are the two places where I'll be looking forward to buy. We don't have any short positions as of now. Let's see how the market performs, and then let's take this forward. Okay, I know the chart is noisy, which is totally fine. This was a trend line. Okay, this was a trend line. As I told already, this was a trend line. Once the trend line broke, we should have bought, but this box gave me a more confident confirmation. This consolidation gave me a good confirmation, and because it opened above, I was very sure that it is a very good trade. Okay, so that was the only reason. And this trend line, it broke and it started going up, which is totally fine. Now the target can be pretty big. Okay, so this is how people place their targets from the trend line till this, that is 2%, where now we have reached at this level. Now we have reached around 81%. We are looking forward for a 2% up. Let's see how market works, and then we'll trade that. Next is US oil. US oil, yesterday we booked a good profit. I booked it around 11:30 somewhere. I booked around this one, and then I stayed quiet. After that, what happened? I did not keep my position on because there was a resistance. There was a resistance on the histogram. That was old times. If you see, there is a resistance here, so I exited it. Now this is a trend line. Okay, so I will be buying or selling only now after few levels. That is, if market crosses $76.15 and above, I'll be looking forward to buy. If it breaks 73 level and 35 cents and below, I'll be looking forward to sell. So this big fat buyer, big fat seller is actually one of my personal strategy, which I teach people on my premium membership, which is very, what to say, these are few very important levels which people should know if they want to be profitable and to capture the momentum. Okay, who doesn't want to get stuck in this noise? This kind of momentum is what they can capture post these levels. So how to mark these levels, I'll be teaching it only there, not here, I'm sorry. So for me, but I'll be telling the levels every day. That is $76.25 and above, I'll be looking forward to buy, and $73.29 and below, I'll be looking forward to sell it for US oil. Okay, next is gold. Gold hit our stop loss, which is totally fine. And we actually entered a trade here. Okay, we actually entered a trade here on my XNS. Here is where I entered, and this was my stop loss. Below this was my stop loss. Below this was my stop loss, because of the key level broke, because the key level I entered, and below this was my stop loss. See, below this was my stop loss, and still I'm holding this trade. Simple. It's because it's our key level. We are at 1:5 now. Let's see how far market goes. We'll trade this. I'm only looking forward to buy, and this is a very, very crucial level for gold now. If gold surpasses 2070 and above, I'll be adding more here, because this is the all-time high. I'll be adding more here, and it is spending some time. If you guys see, this is a good time spending. Okay, this is a good time spending. If it spends time here, that means so many of buys and sellers are getting accumulated here. Whoever wins, the market will go that side. So I'm waiting for it to give a proper movement. If you guys see, these spikes happen because of that only, and this candle gives me a very good hope that buyers are still in control. Let's see, if it surpasses 2070, I'll be adding more gold. Okay, we have 4 stocks for swing trading. First one is Deepak Nitrate. Deepak Nitrate is giving a breakout after consolidating for a very, very long time. If you guys see, this is the consolidation period of 630 days and above. It has given a breakout, and tomorrow I'm expecting a small pullback. This is a good survival. I'm expecting one more candle here. If I get a price of 24602 2465 or 2495, I'll be looking forward to buy this, and my stop loss will be below this candle. Okay, if you see this in weekly, it is a very strong pattern, and it's a very strong close above. These consolidations are really good. This consolidation is really good. It has given a breakout. This is how I'm expecting a next structure to form. Okay, on Deepak Nitrate. So my first target will be this, that is 264, that is 2664. Second target will be 2930, 45 or 30. Okay, so these are the targets. So let's see how it works. I'll be creating new positions in the morning. Next is Hindalco. Hindalco is also breaking its all-time high. It's about to break it. It can reverse from here. That is why we are entering on our specific price. That is, if it crosses 642 and above, I'm definitely looking forward to buy this. My stop loss will be at 615. Okay, next one is Muthoot Finance. Muthoot Finance, this is a good trend line. Okay, this trend line has been broken, and this was the break. If you guys see, this is the break, and it came here. So this was the break. It broke here. It again came. Okay, so yeah, this is the break. Broke here again, took support, and then went up. Here it's consolidating a lot, which is really good. It has been consolidating from almost 2 weeks, I guess. Yeah, 27 days, almost a month. It's consolidating. If it crosses this box, okay, anywhere above or below, I'll be looking forward to buy it or sell it. If I get a price of 1517 or 1515, I'll be buying it. If I get a price of 1416, I'll be looking forward to sell it. So this is for Muthoot Finance. Next is Grasim. Grasim, we're already holding this. Now there is another place for us to add more quantity here on Grasim, because this is a good up. 2150 and above, I'll be looking forward to buy Grasim. We don't have any sell as of now, because the market's also positive. The stocks are also going up, so don't look into sells. Okay, so that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you guys got something to learn from this video. If you guys like my content, please like, share and subscribe. Your support will be definitely appreciated. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye.